guys, it's time for Jasmine to learn how to cook fried rice. It's simple, but you need to learn how to do it because you're in high school now.
Okay.
You're in high school now. Teaching how to chop the, what's that? Ham, sausage, egg, onion. Oh boy. Okay. I want to taste it if it's delicious. Right, Jazz? Mm-hmm. Good job.
Which one?
Yeah. That one, vegetable oil.
The only oil.
The only oil in the house? No, we have olive oil.
Okay, so just
pour a little bit. Not just a little bit. Good enough. Pour more.
Okay.
Pour more. That's good.
Okay.
Okay, wait a little until when it's warm. Okay, when it's warm. Okay. When it's warm, you have to put this onion and you have to caramelize it. You can put it in now. Onions. It's not hot, but it's okay. It's okay. It starts sizzling anyway. Okay. You put the garlic salt. Garlic salt. Sprinkle it. Smells good, Jazzy. Sit to the side. Go scramble this egg. Break it down. Put it right here. Isn't it ready? Yeah.
Scrambled eggs in like forever.
Okay. Make it faster, honey. Everywhere. Scattered it everywhere. Flavor, and then put some soy sauce. Cover that first. or you can just pour it right there in the rice. Good. Keep doing it until it mixes. Now you can make your own. Even if I'm not here and you have visitors, you can make it. Awesome. Okay. Tasty food. Hot. Do you need salt? No? Nothing? You don't need it, right?
I think so.
Huh?
I think so because the meat is already salted.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. So, it's lunchtime. Good job, Jassy. How you feel? You know how? You
Yeah.
think? You think you can make some for Brittany next time I'm not home?
Maybe.
Okay. Good job.
Thank you.
Tasting time.
But it's still
friend.
hot. No, blow on it.
Just blow, blow. Blow, blow, blow. Good job, good job. Good job.
I don't want to burn my mouth. I do that all the time.
Don't burn it.
Oh, I'm making a mess.
Alright, you can turn off now, Jazz. Awesome, right? How you like it? You think Jasmine passed?
She passes.
She passed?
She passed.
Good job.
That's good.
That's good. Alright guys, we're going to eat with our side dish, kimchi. Hey, Jasmine made fried rice and a side of cucumber kimchi. Go try it, Jasmine. Hurry. With your fried rice, how is it? Looks delicious.
It's hot.
It's hot. Spicy hot or hot hot?
Hot, hot.
Okay. How about Julie? You want to try the cucumber? No? Well, Brittany likes it. Huh, Brittany?
That's really good.
Yeah. Awesome job, Jolie. I mean,
Thank you.
Jasmine. The lesson is done. The fried rice is perfect. That's what Brittany say. And pair with the cucumber kimchi. It's delicious. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.